that comes out, you heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Hello guys, welcome again, a new live stream. So let's talk about Bitcoin, and this live stream actually is going to be very short because, well, Bitcoin is doing what we were expecting, right? So sideways, downside, right? So in weekly chart, we are going to have here a sell signal, I think this weekend. So right now I can tell you it's going to be like this, right? Like this, sideways, right? And to the downside. My target is around 50K. Below 50K, game over. I mean, game over, right? Like the bull market is over. As long as Bitcoin is above 50K in the long term, everything is fine. So in weekly chart, I mean, I'm talking about like about the next 3 months, 4 months. Okay. So now with this weekly sell signal, remember, historically speaking, in higher time frames, weekly sell signal actually is very powerful. Yeah. Of course, it will take months, right? Something like this, right? Sometimes sideways here. So I back tested this many times. So just I wanted to show you like around 7-8 signals, just around 2 they were fake. So, or maybe just sideways. But we have around like 80%, 75-80% of probabilities to see Bitcoin actually dropping. Okay. So if you're gonna buy right now and you are thinking to open the long positions, makes sense, yes. Just maybe in short term, like maybe 4 hour 1 day is totally fine. But I can tell you right now, that bounce, if we see it, is gonna be a sell. It's gonna be a sell opportunity. Okay. So let me show you now bi-weekly chart. Bi-weekly chart, of course, maybe this is too much, but you can see here we will see very soon, maybe by the end of the month, another sell signal here. So same as weekly, we will have a sell signal, and in the long term, talking about the next, even actually until summer, I think, we will see Bitcoin just in sideways and crashing. Okay, it's in a macro correction. Yes, don't get me wrong. It's an uptrend. Yes. But this correction in average around 30-35%, something like that. So that's why I am waiting. I will wait just to buy Bitcoin. I mean, holding Bitcoin maybe when I see Bitcoin around 50K, around there, potentially yes. Now, my concern about this is if we see this signal, we will see sell signal as well in monthly, and that is something very different. Of course, it's too soon to say this, but I think now you know what I'm talking about, right? We have a better divergence in the monthly, with the high of 2021, right? 2021, right? And 2024, and we will have a sell signal here in 2020. I mean, in the monthly. So, of course, you know what I want to say, right? So, if we see the sell signal for example, in June and July, get ready because Bitcoin eventually will break 50K and the bull market is over. And I will be right about something I said a long time ago. This potentially this bounce or this bull market will be the weakest in the history of Bitcoin. I know you don't like it and you want to see Bitcoin to 1 million. Me too, right? But the only thing I'm doing right now is just following my seasonal trading, following rules, right? It's nothing personal. It's not like my emotions. No, just I'm telling you the facts, right? I know many YouTubers, they don't talk about these kind of things. Just in this channel, I want to be very realistic with you, very honest with you. I could be wrong, of course, yes, right? But one thing, I don't want to see Bitcoin breaking 50K, because if we see Bitcoin breaking 50K, yeah, I am expecting to see in some point a sell signal in the monthly, and that is going to be very, 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 very bad. Yep. So imagine, this is not technical analysis, just imagine like if we have a sell signal in the monthly, the target should be around 30K. In the long term, looking for the MA55, same as before, right? Same as before, okay? So it could be good, yeah, but this is gonna be a big warning for me, because eventually the MA55 finally is getting ready to break down. So that's why, step by step, right? So right now, Bitcoin is bullish, yes, be happy. You're halving, right? Yeah, to 1 million, I know. And Bitcoin is still to the in uptrend. Yes, I am looking for a pullback around 50K. Yes, in the long term. Of course, we will see some bounces in the process, but I will buy. Of course, I am a financial advisor, but yeah, I will start buying Bitcoin around this area between 50K and maybe 47, 49 if I see this level. Now, if you see right now, this is like in weekly chart, but something could happen as well. Remember, sideways, right? Bitcoin could be just in sideways for the next 3 months. And I think if we see Bitcoin around the next 3 months in sideways between 60K and 70K, is going to be awesome. Why? Because the momentum is going to be to the upside still. And yeah, eventually we will see new highs. But right now, the odds are very low. Yeah, the odds are very low. Actually, for me, the market is looking like it's just a correction, a major correction. Now let's talk about the 1-day chart. 1-day chart here, as I said before, I am bullish, still bullish, yes, looking for a bounce here. And as you can see here, Bitcoin is defending very well the MI55, right? The MI55, I said the lowest point is around 60K. 60K, that is the lowest point. From there, I am looking actually for longs. I opened a long position in my main account around 60K, exactly 60K. I protected my entry. It's the first time I use my main account this year. I didn't use my main account for a long time. So I opened here a long position. I protected my entry. I protect my entry around 60K 700. Yeah, because I want to avoid the fees. So looking for a bounce, and it's gonna be like this. Okay, right now this is gonna be to the upside right now. I think this weekend we will see a bounce here, a buy signal here, and just I am following the trend. The trend is my friend, right? The trend is my friend, and I will do it as long as Bitcoin is in uptrend, right? So it's like this. One thing, I am not expecting like Bitcoin will hit like 74, 75, 85. I don't think so, honestly. I think Bitcoin will just do something like this, right? Something like this. If we see a new high, perfect. But after that, you will see finally a major correction. And I'm going to show you 2021. 2021, actually, we have something like that. Let me show you here. We have this buy signal here, this buy signal, very nice bounce, making a new ATA, and after that a major drop, something like this. Actually, I am expecting, right? So of course this is not technical analysis, just based on my experience, right? Trading Bitcoin for many years. So right now here I am not shorting, no shorts, right? No shorts, just sideways, right? Sideways here, sideways, and bounce. Where the first target, of course, in 1-day chart should be around 70K. Yeah, 68, 70K, 69, around here. That should be the first target. Breaking and closing the candle here, above here, yes, you can expect new highs, but the odds are very low. Why? Because monthly, weekly chart, we have a sell signal right now. Now, to be fair, every time when we have a test in MI55 in volume, you can expect a bounce. But I will just be careful here, because all the macro timeframes they are showing right now, Bitcoin is actually getting weak. Yeah, getting weak even in monthly here, because you see here in the monthly, Bitcoin is forming a better divergence. That's why I'm telling you right now. So if you're in profit, you want to buy Bitcoin? Yes, me too. I will do it. But seriously, in my case, if I have a sell signal, I will just sell. I don't care. Just I will take profits. It's up to you, right? You want to hold for 5 years, 6 years, 8 years. I mean, all of us, we are different, right? All of us, we are different. Some of you, maybe you're a holder. You believe like Bitcoin will hit 1 million one day. It's fine. But in my case, I am a trader. So if I see a sell signal, just I sell it. If I have a buy signal, I buy. That's it. Yeah, I don't care the asset. Just I buy, I sell. Following rules. So right now, volume is not very healthy here, but well, it's testing the sell line here. Remember, the sell line here actually is in volume as a support, as you can see here. For example, this one here and this one. As long as Bitcoin is above here, I am still looking for a continuation to the upside. No new ATA. This bounce is not going to be strong, and the reason is simple. It's because volatility as well is very high. I will be more bullish in 1-day chart if we have contraction here, like volatility. So this move is gonna be slow. It's not gonna be powerful because the volatility is already very, very, very high. So that's why I am in long position. Yes, I protected my entry. Yes, because I don't believe in this move. Yeah, 100%. Okay, so that's why we have to, at least in my case, right now, I'm looking for the next four. I mean, in my small account, I have two accounts: the main account and the small account. In my main account, I am here in long position around 60k, and in my small account, I'm looking for the next buy opportunity. Remember, this is testing the MI55. Well, some rejection here, potentially maybe sideways here, and in the next buy signal here in 4-hour chart, I will start looking for another buy opportunity, something like this. Something like this. In the next buy opportunity, I will open a long position looking for same level around 69, 70k. That is the area I will start looking for. And as I said before, in my case, it's up to you, right? In my case, I'm gonna start looking for, actually, I will take some profits here in this area. Yeah. Someone asked me, hey, are you gonna short the market? I don't feel comfortable shorting the market. I have specific rules to short the market. I don't think so. I think I will not short the market right now, not yet. Yeah. If, to be honest, I want to show you why, potentially when I will start looking for a short. I want to see something like this, same as 2021. You see, we have a beautiful bearish divergence here, as you can see here, and well, here I was very confident, like, well, from here, Bitcoin will just crash for more than 1 year, as you can see here. So I was very happy shorting. I think many members in my Discord, we were shorting the market in that time. It was a very nice time, right? So very good profits, actually. I really love it. But now here we don't have this setup. So I am telling you right now, we are gonna have a pullback, yes, but this pullback is in weekly chart. It's just a pullback. It's not like a major crash, right? It's just a pullback. It could be very bad, yes, if we have a sell signal in the monthly, but it will take all the year, okay, all 2024, maybe half of 2025. Yeah, I think in some point next year, yeah, I will be happy to short Bitcoin again, maybe for a couple years. But for now, I think just I'm ready to buy I'm getting ready to buy in the long term. Yep. Okay, guys. So in 1-hour chart, yeah, someone asked me, okay, 1-hour chart. Let's do it in 1-hour chart. First of all, it's weekend. I don't trade weekends, but you're looking for an entry right now. It's right. Actually, is right now. I mean, like you see, testing the MI55. Wait for the confirmation here, right? You want to open a long position and looking for around 65, maybe 1,000 move, $1,000 move, and that's it. No more than that. Yep. Usually, I don't trade weekends. So well. Okay, so let's continue. I'm gonna continue with the UC dominance because I wanna see something bullish there. Yeah, I think now actually it makes sense to start looking for, yeah, you see? This is a technical analysis I said, you see, a long time ago. I'm expecting a bounce here, and after that, a pullback. Well, actually so far, it's working. It's gonna take more time, maybe another 3 months. But as you can see here, this is bullish. This is bullish. We don't, actually, I'm very happy to see we don't have a bullish divergence here because it will be worse. Let me see the monthly here. And that is the thing. That's my thing. Of course, not now, but this, my friend, this chart with this momentum here is like this. Okay, and be careful. As I said before, be careful. I know it's very hard to see these kind of things because we want to make profits and we want to be bullish all the time, right? Always we want to be just in one side of the market, or we want to be bullish or we are super bearish, right? No, we have to find the balance. What is this telling me? I know, you know my system. What is this? What is this? Maybe someone, maybe you know someone. What is this? Right? This is bullish, right? Look at this. The momentum in monthly is very good. Defending the MI55 here. I am telling you right now, the USD dominance will pump in some point this year. and it's a very bad news for Bitcoin, right? So with the volatility super low like this one, this thing is gonna, in some point, maybe next year, I think, yeah, by the end of the next year, something like that, you will see a very nice move, something like this, yeah, something like this, you see, from here, yeah, all here, and also here, and yeah, something like this, okay? So the bear market, yes, because we will have a new bear market as well, it's gonna be even worse than the previous one, okay? So that's why, again, I am not financial advisor, right? But think about it, okay? Think about it, because I know some of you, you're holding forever and ever. It's fine, yeah, but I mean, I respect, okay? As I said before, I am not a financial advisor. Just I'm telling you what I see. Yeah, always I'm trying, when I see I'm making profits, for example, in uni, I bought around $4 or $5. Yeah, I think, no, yeah, around $6, and it was 20. Just I took profits. That's it. I didn't care like, oh yeah, we'll hit 100. I don't care. Just I got a signal. Bye. Bye bye. That's it. Okay. Same with Solana. Remember, I said with you, hey, careful here. You're buying at 200 because no, we have actually a better variance in weekly chart. Let me show you here. We have a better variance and it's still present, and volatility is contracting here. So eventually, I'm still looking for Solana to hit around 100. It could be a buy opportunity, maybe yes. But the problem is, if we have this area tested, also we will see a sell signal in the monthly. Yeah. Of course, there is not enough data here. There is not enough data. It maybe is too risky, like to say something like this. But imagine this high, the momentum here. If we have a sell signal here, the lowest point should be around 40. Yeah, it will take time, yes, but that's why it's very important when you buy an altcoin and you are making profits and you are very happy about it. Please try not to be emotional, and just, if you are following a system, my system, any system, whatever, right, or news, whatever you're doing, take profits, materialize your profits, and be happy. Okay, and be happy. In almost actually 10 years doing this, I saw many guys in my career, in trading, making a lot of profits, very happy, having a dream like moving to Dubai or Europe or America, whatever, typical, right? And after the bear market hits, and they are just, even one guy, actually, something personal. I have it's not my friend. In 2021, I remember, I don't know if you remember, one guy stopped talking to me because I said Cardano will never hit $10. Yeah. And when he asked me, no, you are wrong, blah, 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 blah. And I said, no, Cardano actually will crash in 2021, right? And actually I was right. Yeah. I was right. I didn't know. I talked with this guy like a few days ago, and he got depression, and he's alcoholic right now. He was making a lot of money, like lifetime changing. The money. Like, he was making a lot of money. He bought in 2021 here. He bought here, here, exactly here. In March, yeah, around this area, he bought here. He was making a lot of profits here, right? He was telling me he wants to move to Spain. He wants to get married there, buy a house, the typical dream. He asked me here. He actually followed I said, I am a financial advisor, but after the Corona crash, I said, it's a time to buy. He bought it. Perfect. When he asked me again, hey, should I sell? And I said, well, I sold a Bitcoin at 60 something, 65, something like that. I closed my positions and I'm expecting everything will drop very hard, right? And he said to me, okay, thank you, but you don't know anything about the market, and you will see you in September. Yeah, in September 2021, he said $10 Cardano. Yeah. And I said, good luck with that. See you at 20 cents, 25. And he stopped talking to me. After many years, now he is alcoholic. Yeah, he is alcoholic. I met him a few days ago. We talk, and he is just drinking alcohol and depression. And it's a real thing. It's a real problem, okay? Why? Because he's old. He knows maybe he will never make that money again, okay? And that's the problem. When you are too emotional in the markets, it's real. It's real. So be careful. If you are making profits right now and you are happy with that, learn about risk management. Yeah. Learn about risk management, protect your profits, and the most important thing here is learn how to take profits. Okay? That's it. Because this guy is not the only one. I saw like in my career around maybe 6, 7 guys, like they were making a lot of money. They could change their life right now. They could be in a different place right now thanks to crypto, but they were too greedy and too stupid, yeah, and blind, and just they were following Twitter, right, or the news. So that's why it's extremely important. I'm telling you right now. Of course, I could be wrong. I'm hoping to be wrong here, but if you see Bitcoin dropping in the next 3 months, all your favorite altcoins will just keep dropping more and more and more and more. So if you are in profit right now, perfect, congratulations. But think about it, okay? As I said before, I am not a financial advisor, right? But that is something real. Something actually is happening right now. Something I saw. It was very common to see people getting depression because of this. Okay, so that's why in my case I am defensive always, because I understood in the bad way. I need to protect my capital. Yeah, so it's very hard, I know, but well, mental health actually is also very important. Okay, so let's continue. And for example, I'm going to talk about some altcoins and let's see what is going on. So right now here, for example, Cardano, right? As long as it's holding a 0.40, 0.45, 0.50, everything should be fine. If you see Cardano breaking this level, you will see Cardano around 25 cents again. Yeah, and that is not gonna be good. Yeah, that's why we want to see Cardano and many altcoins now testing the support, holding. If we see this testing, I mean holding this area for maybe 1 month or two, maybe 2 or 3 months more. In some point, yes, the next target in the long term should be around $1 with 20 cents. But thinking like Cardano will hit 3, 4, 5, keep dreaming. Okay, so let's continue. I'm gonna talk about Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum. You see, it's a sideways downside. Remember what I said like 3 weeks ago? Yeah, I mean, I am not the best trader. I take losses. Actually, I took a loss a few days ago. Okay, so it was not big, but and I'm a human, same as you. I'm taking losses as well. But in the long term, right? I know that's why I love swing trading because I have time for me, right? That's the point. Before many years ago, I was trying to be a scalper, but no, I prefer my mental health. So as I said before, sideways here, downside. So now what is happening here? You see, sell signal here, yeah, and the target should be around 2,300. That's it. I could be wrong, yes, but so far, for now, actually, right now is working. So still bullish, yes. 2,300, 400 should be a buy opportunity, yes, of course, yes. But my concern is like, as I said before, same as Bitcoin. If we see this drop here, right? Remember what I said to you a long time ago, the 3-screen system, right? We have 1-day chart, we have weekly chart, and in this case, we will have monthly chart. What is this? If we have a sell signal here in the monthly, weekly chart should be the trigger. That's my concern. If we see this drop here to 2,300, same as Bitcoin, around 50K, that drop will be the trigger to see a sell signal in the monthly. And my question is, what is going to happen? Well, you know what I will say. If we see that signal, I'm gonna start calling for lower prices. So that's why I wanna see Bitcoin and all the altcoins respecting the support. Bitcoin at 60K, Ethereum at this area around 3,000. They must respect this level to keep the momentum to the upside. Yeah, and if everything is right, of course I want to see a reversal. I mean, the momentum to the downside, I want to see a reversal. to see more like momentum into the upside in this case. So that's why just be careful. Careful here because, for example, here right now, Ethereum Classic, right? Ethereum Classic, I said a sell signal here. You see, testing the top of the resistance around. I said around 40. Yeah. Well, actually, 39. I fell for $1. And now it's testing the support around this area. Technically speaking, is the area to buy? Yes, but the momentum is still to the downside. And you will see the setup in all the altcoins. For example, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash. You will see a sell signals very soon. And the next target is around 250. And in this case, from the top, right, 700 to 250 is around 62%. And that's the point. If Bitcoin crash or is dropping 20%, 10%, your favorite icon will just drop like 3 or 4 times. That's why I don't trade in futures altcoins, because by default they are 3 or 4 times more volatile than Bitcoin. That's why the only way I trade altcoins is because I buy in a spot, and that's it. DOT, for example, DOT, same. Actually, it's a little bit concerning here for DOT because it's holding the MI55 here, but I don't know. Let's see, because I want to see DOT holding this area. Holding this area is very important for DOT and many altcoins. If Bitcoin, but that's the problem. Bitcoin will, technically speaking, I'm expecting a break to 50k, so many altcoins will test the previous low around $4. Let's see. And you can see here, same thing, right? Same thing. AVAX, same thing. Well, you see, my targets, all of them, they were hit actually in the long term, right? In the long term, we have a better variance here. Be careful with CRO, right? So that's why I said before, you are in profits, congratulations, but you need to learn when to take profits, right? It's very important. So here you see sell signal for Binance. Yeah, long time ago I said as long as Binance is holding 200, we can expect to see like another test to the previous high. And now you see, okay, good. Is it still bullish? Yes. Should I buy right now? No, it will take months. Yeah, take it easy. I think the party is over for right now for the next 3-4 months for Bitcoin. I think right now the best thing Bitcoin can do is just holding this area 60k, 70k for the next 2-3 months. I want to see a reset here, something like this, right? Something like this. As long as Bitcoin is about 50k, everything should be fine. Okay, so let's continue with the comments. You have more altcoins, please let me know in the comments. But you can open your trading view and you can see your chart in weekly chart, and if it's looking like similar like the altcoins I saw before, you will know, right, what I want to say, right? So let's see. My friend, please share the symbol and the time frame you want to check. Okay, happy halving. Yeah. Ooh, wow. Bitcoin at 1 million, right? Next month. Yes. Wow. I don't think so. Short or long Bitcoin? It depends your time frame, my friend. It depends. In short term, to the upside. Actually, I'm in long position right now at 60k. Yeah. Looking for 68, 69, maximum 70. Yes. But after that, I will just close my position, looking for more downside because macro timeframes they are not bullish now, right now. Okay. Jasmine. What is Jasmine? Careful with XRP. XRP will crash even worse. I told you a long time ago. Long time ago. Okay, sell signal here. 0.01 cents. Yeah, is the area. And same as Cardano, same as Near, your altcoin must hold this area, key areas, for months, not just 1 day or 2 months. But with this momentum here, super high, careful here, because we see a sell signal here like this, and plus Bitcoin breaking 60k, is gonna be worse. So that's why for me, at least in my case, if I am right now holding this thing, I will just be more than happy taking profits. In my case, right? In my case. Okay, so let's continue with quant. Quant, as long as it's about 100, everything should be fine, right? Okay, technically speaking, is doing actually good. It's holding here, 100, as you can see here. So what do you want to see? What you want to see, sorry, is you want to see quant in more like sideways for the next 3 months, and Bitcoin holding 50K or even better, 60K, right? And in some point, if this altcoin is holding this area, you will see a buy signal here. And yeah, in some point, it's going to be like this, because this is looking more like a consolidation, my friend. Okay, this is looking like a consolidation. If everything is right and the market is still bullish, yes, in the long term, 200, even 360. But of course, step by step, right? Step by step. Okay, so XRP, bottom. Okay, I have to show you something very important. Sell signal, well, it's okay, but let me show you something. It's very, very important, and it's the monthly sell signal for XRP. So you are thinking XRP this year is gonna do something interesting? No, well, it's gonna do it, but in some point I am looking for a big drop to 0.20 cents. Of course, because we have a sell signal in the monthly, right? So bottom, no, this is looking more like a distribution here. This is not consolidation. This is looking like it's gonna drop, okay? Of course, I could be wrong, right? I could be wrong, yeah. I'm a human, but my system is telling me that. So, well, based on probabilities, my system of trading, the win rate is around 75%. So I prefer to listen my system, because sometimes I'm too emotional. That's why I build a system. Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin a little bit more, and that's it. I think after that, that's it, okay? So Bitcoin in the monthly. Be careful. We have to watch all this year how is, this setup, the potential bettors are bringing in the monthly. We have to watch this year, right? Maybe after summer, I think we will have a better idea. We will get a better idea, sorry. And sell signal in the weekly chart, no way, no thank you. I don't want to buy there. A sideways range 60K, 70K if you are very bullish, but technically speaking, the target should be around 50K. Yeah, around 50K, around this area, that is the area. In my case, if I see Bitcoin at 50K around that area, yes, I will be very happy to buy. Yeah. Or after 3 months, Bitcoin holding 60K and we see somehow a reset in momentum, yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's see. Okay, so let me see. What is that? Okay, I think it's this one. Let me see. It's gonna be my first time to see this chart. Okay, so weekly chart, sell signal here, right? Sell signal, same as many altcoins, right? You wanna see this coin holding 9-10, and you will have to wait around maybe 3-4 months to buy again in the long term, right? But as long as it's above $10, I think everything should be fine. But remember, if you are trading altcoins, it's because you have to see, you need to see Bitcoin all time. If Bitcoin is bullish, altcoins are bullish. If Bitcoin is bearish, well, doesn't matter if your altcoin is bullish. Most of them, they will just crash. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your weekend, right? And happy halving, right? It's the first halving we covered in this live stream. Sorry, in this channel, actually. In this channel. Let's see if we can go. I hope to see you in the next halving as well.